green beans. This is just one of those things that I absolutely love. I don't know about you, but if there are green beans being served somewhere, you will definitely find them on my plate. Perhaps this has something to do with the fact that you can serve them with just about anything, and you can be confident that it's gonna taste amazing, or maybe because of how affordable and readily available they are. Hi, I'm Kate Hanel and welcome to We Eat at Last. Today we are going to be making some Ninja air fryer green beans. Sounds interesting? Let's air fry. As always, you want to start by cleaning your green beans. Chuck the not so fresh green beans, and then we're going to trim the ends. I'm just going to transfer the green beans to a slightly larger bowl, and we're going to top them with the seasoning. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any neutral cooking oil that you prefer. Half a teaspoon of salt. You're also going to need some garlic, so depending on taste, you can use 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, which you're going to mince. 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, or more to taste. I'm just adding in the minced garlic. I'm just going to mix, making sure it's all well combined. Next, I'm just going to drizzle the lemon juice on top. What this does is that it helps the green beans maintain their color. And then I'll just combine again. I like to line my air fryer with paper liners for easier cleanup, but you can also use a suitable non-stick spray or cooking oil if you do not have paper liners. As with most of my recipes, I'm using the Ninja Foodi multi-cooker to make this recipe, but you can use any air fryer that you own. And then we're just going to transfer the green beans to the air fryer basket. Just going to scrape all the seasoning and garlic as much as possible. You then want to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's approximately 191 degrees Celsius. But seeing that my Ninja Foodi here doesn't have 191 degrees, I've just set it to 190 degrees Celsius. And we're going to air fry the green beans for 7 to 10 minutes. So I'll just start with 8 minutes. And as always, you want to check on the food mid-cooking. You then want to flip if you can, or just turn them mid-cooking. So the cooking time is up. Let's have a look. These are done. I ended up making them for 10 minutes, but honestly the time you add will just depend on how crispy or how tender you like your green bean. I'm going to transfer this to a plate and top them with some Parmesan cheese, and we're going to serve. I'm just going to grate some cheese, which we're going to top the green beans with.